Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. This is our showcase bed of some of the English lavenders, some of our favourites. Got here Lavender Munstead, and it's starting to fade off now. There's not really any much colour left that looks nice. It's always a judgment call, but I'm deciding it's enough for this one. So you're always taking out the stalk, but you're also looking to go a little bit into the leaves as well, just very lightly, just maybe an inch or so. It's really important to do this with lavenders because otherwise they end up going very woody. You end up, all of this next year will have lost the leaves, so this will all be brown and bare, and then you'll get the fresh growth will be higher up, and then the next year all of that will have gone brown, and then fresh growth doesn't until there, and it gets grubbier and grubbier looking. So something you can easily do with shears, particularly if you've got quite a lot of them or they've got bigger. This only got planted this springtime, so it's not huge. By doing that cutting, we should have stimulated fresh growth, and because it's only July, I would be hoping that we will get some more flowers this year.